Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the Science 9 Term 1 Week 2. This is the day 1 of second week, Law of Acceleration. Okay, objectives. Define Newton's second law of motion and state the formula F is equals to m times A. Show appreciation of how Newton's second law applies to daily activities like sports, vehicles, and solve acceleration problems accurately. Okay, for motivational activity, answer these questions, real or fake. Okay, Newton's second law states that acceleration depends on net force and mass. Okay, that is real. In the formula, F is equals to mass times acceleration. F stands for friction only. Okay, that is fake. The unit of force is Newton. Okay, real. If the net force acting on an object is 0, the object will accelerate. Okay, that is fake. If mass increases and force stays the same, acceleration increases. Okay, that is fake. Increasing the force on an object increases its acceleration if mass stays the same. Okay, that is real. Acceleration can mean speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. Okay, that is real. A heavier object is easier to accelerate than a lighter object when pushed with the same force. Okay, that is fake. Net force is the total of all forces acting on an object. Okay, that is real. A 5 kilogram object pushed with 20 newton of force has an acceleration of 4 meter per second squared. Okay, that is real. Okay, let us have this short story about Marco's grocery challenge. Marco was helping his mother at the grocery store one Saturday morning. At first, the cart was empty. When he pushed it down the aisle, it moved quickly and smoothly. He noticed that even a small push made the cart speed up easily. After shopping for rice, canned goods, drinks, and other heavy items, the cart became full and much heavier. Marco pushed it again with the same effort he used before. This time, the cart moved forward but much more slowly. It did not speed up as quickly as the empty cart. So Marco felt confused. Why is it harder to move now if I'm pushing just as hard? He asked. His mother smiled and said, that's science. When the mass increases, acceleration decreases if the force the same. So meaning mass is inversely proportional to the acceleration. Because as mass increases, the acceleration decreases. Marco realized he had just experienced Newton's second law of motion in real life. So the acceleration is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to its mass. Okay, guide questions. What happened when the cart was empty? So it accelerated easily. So what happened when the cart was full? And why? It accelerated slowly because greater mass results in a smaller acceleration while force is constant. What formula explains this? Okay, the formula is force is equals to mass times acceleration. Okay, understanding Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends on the net force acting on it and its mass. It can be written as force is equals to the product of mass times acceleration, where F is net force in newtons, m is mass in kilograms, and a acceleration, the unit is meter per second squared. Okay, what is force? Okay, a force is a push or pull that can change motion. Okay, when you say mass, the amount of matter in an object. More mass, harder to accelerate. Less mass, easier to accelerate. What is acceleration? So, the rate of change of velocity can mean speeding up, nadagdagan yung bilis, acceleration. Slowing down, nabawasan yung bilis, that is also acceleration. Ang tawag nga po pala doon is deceleration or negative acceleration. And then, paano ko naman kung constant yung speed or velocity? Hindi siya bumilis, hindi bumagal, pero nagbago naman ng direction. It also has accelerated. Okay, nagkaroon siya ng acceleration. The relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. If force increases, acceleration increases. So meaning acceleration is directly proportional to the force and also inversely proportional to the mass. Example, push a cart harder, it speeds up more. If mass increases, acceleration decreases. Example, an empty cart accelerates faster than a loaded cart when pushed with the same force. Kicking a soccer ball softly versus strongly. Pushing a light box versus a heavy cabinet. Riding a bicycle with or without a passenger. Siyempre kapag may pasahero, mas mabigat. So, mas mababa ang acceleration. So, example, computation. Number 1, a 5 kg object is pushed with 20 Newton of force. Find the acceleration. So, kung gagamitin natin yung acceleration, the formula for acceleration is, o given. Sa pagsusolve mo pala ng formula, kunin muna natin what are given. Okay, the mass is 5 kg. The force is equals to 20 Newton. Okay, the acceleration, ito yung tinatawag natin na what is asked, ano itong hinahanap. Okay, the formula for acceleration is equals to force times divide by mass. So, kung i-replace natin, yung value ng force is 20 Newton, value ng mass is 5 kg, dividing, the result is 4 meter per second squared. The acceleration is 4 meter per second squared. Okay, pwede nyo po itong panoorin, itong link na to. Okay, assessment, solve and draw. Solve the following problems and draw a simple force diagram. Number 1, a 4 kg object is pushed with 12 Newton. Find the acceleration. Okay, next, a 10 kg box experiences 50 Newton of force. Find acceleration. Draw arrows showing force direction and motion direction.